Stop overpaying for digital marketing tools. I'm here to save you some money with the code SAVE50. And if you act by September 14th, I'm going to get you grandfathered in and you'll save thousands a year. Are you a digital marketer? Are you looking to build websites, funnels, email marketing, autoresponders? I've got the tool for you. The most complete digital marketing platform there is. Not only that, their affiliate program is crazy. If you're looking to promote something, this is it. We're launching on 15th September 2023, and the prices are going to go up. Let me ask you, who made money during the gold rush? Was it all those people who went out to California with shovels and pickaxes? No, it was the general store that sold the tools they needed to look for the gold. The general store is the one that made the money. Sure, 1 in 1,000 people struck gold, but every general store made money. Digital marketers need tools. They need website builders. They need funnel builders. They need autoresponders. They need email lists. They need all of these tools. They need these tools to make money online, just like a carpenter needs a hammer. The problem is with these softwares is you get your autoresponder from over here. You get your website builder from over here. You get your social proof from over here. And you get your WhatsApp from over here. And you get your chat builder from over here. And before you know it, you're spending hundreds of dollars a month on tools. Give me a minute. Let me show you Builderall. Come on, jump inside with me. You're going to be happy you did. They have a really great affiliate program. And after you've made 3 sales, you're getting the tool for free. So let's jump on in. I'm going to show you what you're getting. Okay, so here we are in Builderall, the most solid affiliate program for serious online entrepreneurs. They pay thousands of dollars in recurring commissions every month from entrepreneurs. Now, it's crazy. This is Builderall. What is Builderall? It's the most complete digital marketing platform on the planet. They have every tool that you could need to make money online with any business you could think of. Well, and the affiliate program is a 2-tier affiliate program, and the marketing strategy is designed to attract more subscribers. Okay, I'm going to show you how that works in a couple of seconds. Every business today needs to be online. Every business, okay? The customers are everywhere, okay? Every business needs to be online. But what does Builderall offer? Now, currently they have 40 integrated tools and apps. Sheeta website builder, e-commerce, WordPress, WordPress Pro, Mailing Bosses is your email list, professional email, autoresponders, SMS, messaging service, marketplace. You can have your own store, super checkouts, social proof, script generator. I mean, there's 40 of them, 40 tools you can get. And every one of these, every time that I want to do something online, Builderall has a tool to help me do it. So I'm covered for whatever I want to do, right? So what can the results be and what can you achieve? Okay, I'm going to come down here. So James Neville Taylor, he's the #1 affiliate. He made over $500,000 in 2020. But I want to go down here to the last guy, okay, and that's Jamar Jones. Okay, now he is 1,508. That's his ranking position in the company. So that means more than 1,500 affiliates are making $150,000 a year, because that's what he's making, $150,000 a year. All right, but hold on a second. This is how it works. All right, so now, like I told you, people buy Builderall for the tools, for the website builder, for the email marketing, for all those 40 tools, for the autoresponder, and they start making money. They build websites, they have autoresponders, they have email lists, so they keep the tool. They pay for the tool every month because they're making money using the tool. Just like the contractor uses a hammer to make money, you're using these tools to make money. But you as a good affiliate, you're going to promote it. Okay, so how many sales can you make in a year? Let's say you're a terrible affiliate. You're a terrible salesman. So how many sales can you make in a year? So let's say you make 1 sale a week. It's for that year. So that means you're going to make 52 sales. All right. So at the end of that year, you're going to be bringing in $1,200 residual income. So those 52 people are using the tool. They're making money using the tool, and they pay every month for the tool. And your residual income, your affiliate income for that would be $1,200. You won't have to do anything else. Those people are going to keep the tool. You're going to make $1,200 a month. But out of those 52 people, it's a 2-tier program. So out of those 52 people, how many of those people would want to promote Builderall? Now, they're all affiliates. They're all digital marketers, okay? A high percentage of them are going to want to promote the program. But let's just say it's not. Let's say it's a little more than, let's say it's 17, okay? I was going to say 15, but let's say it's 17 people. So you got 17 people in your group, And now the sales they make, you're going to get commissions on those sales too as well. So how many sales can they make a year? Now, I said you were a terrible salesman. You made one sale a week in the year. Let's say you're a terrible teacher. You can't teach them how to be a good salesman. So they only make one sale a month down here, right? Now, your residual income every month is $6,000. Residual income, you don't have to do anything else. No more work has to be done, all right? You've got 52 people that you've made one sale a week, and you know it's going to be more than one sale a week. You're going to make more than one sale a week. And how many affiliates can you bring in? I said 17. It's probably going to be more like half, right? But let's say it's 17, and let's say that they only make one sale a month, and you know they're going to make more than one sale a month. Okay, let's say we're taking these short numbers, these small numbers. That's still $6,000 a month residual income. You never have to do anything else. Now, on top of that, you're using Builderall's tools for their website builder, for their autoresponder, and you're making money with the tools as well. So you're probably up to above $10,000 a month just by using the tool and promoting the tool. Okay, now you have to get involved. You have to sign up by September 14th to be grandfathered into the prices that are now, because I signed up 5 years ago. I'm grandfathered into the prices from 5 years ago. You want to get in now because it's going to go up on the 15th. Okay, so you're going to get in now, and then of course, like I told you, you're going to put in the code SAVE50. You put in the code SAVE50. You're going to save 50% off your first month, and on top of that, you're going to be grandfathered in. You're going to save thousands of dollars a year. Okay, and on top of that, okay, let's just wipe this out a second here. So get rid of this, get rid of this. Okay, let's say now you have 4 sales. After 4 sales, you're making $94 a month residual income. Now that pays for the tool, right? So that pays for the tool. So you make 4 sales, you're paying, the tool's paid for, you're getting the tool for free, right? And you're going to start to earn money with the tool. Come on, it's ridiculous. So you can see it's ridiculous. Okay, Builderall is a great platform. I've been using it for 5 years. I've built websites, I built funnels, I use email marketing, I have email lists. Great tool, great affiliate program. Can't say enough about it. But you have to get in now. You have to get in by the 14th. Sign up by the 14th. There'll be a link in the description. There'll be SAVE50. You'll get 50% off. And if you get in by the 14th, you'll be grandfathered in the prices. You won't get the upgrade. The prices are going up on the 15th. Okay. And of course, that's because everything's getting improved. We're going to the 6.0 launch. Builderall's 6.0 launch is on the 15th of September, 2023. The tool is going to get even better. Now, they make upgrades every year. So every year the price goes up. You'll be grandfathered in this price. Like I'm grandfathered into 5 years ago price. Get in while you can. And stop overpaying for digital marketing tools.